Hello folks, today we're going to talk about how to get your agreement templates set up. First you want to go to settings and then click the appropriate location that you're going to work on or the price set that you're going to work on. Click view and then go to the second tab, document options. I'm going to remove this for now. What you're going to see here from default is each of the 6 different types of agreements. There is a default template for each one of those. And then under custom, you can create a new one from scratch or you can clone the existing one. So let's clone one just to make it a little more simple and easier to understand at this point. And when you first look at this, there's an image that's our logo. You can replace that. You delete it and go up here, insert an image, click on the folder icon, click the plus sign and the upload button. Choose a file from your hard drive. It has to be less than 2 megabytes, and then see the check mark there. If it's too big or the wrong type, you'll get an X. You can select it, populates in here, hit OK, and it puts it in your agreement document. Now you can resize that just like you could if you were using Word or some other text editor on your desktop. Take that out of there for now. The next thing you're going to see are these unusual looking words. These are tags, and they are replaced with information from either your price set location or the job that you're specifically working on. You find those, see here it says services will be provided at, we can go up here to job and we can say at this address, and then as a catch-all, we can also do different service address. So here's what will happen in real time. If you don't have anything in the field for different service location, this ends up blank. And if you do, then it populates that. So basically you'll end up with both of those locations in there, and when you generate the agreement, you can remove one or you can just leave it as the main job address. The point is to show you how these things come together. Here is a spot for the company or your company, the contractor's name and the contractor's title. And over here we can add in the customer name and the customer title. So you can see how easy that is to add these tags. Now, if you remember, if anybody out there has been using the old system, sometimes it was tough to get those tags in Word to work, that they would get corrupt by Word in the way it saved things. This takes care of all that. It all goes away. Now, inside here, you can use a similar setup. You can click on a word. You can use your keyboard commands and turn that into a bold, or you can use the menu bar right here. Either way. There's also some new tags. If we come down here and we want to start a new page, so we're going to go insert page break. Okay. Then we're going to come down and let's add a table. And we want 3 columns and 2 rows. So in here we're going to put planned hours. In here unplanned hours. And material dollars. Let's spell hours correctly. And then down here we'll put job, planned, unplanned, materials. We save that. Now let's go look at jobs. We have a job already put in here. It's not populated fully. We'll put in an 123 East Street, United States, Iowa, Altoona, I'm going to save that. You got to save this on each tab. Signer information, Mark Ollinghouse, in both spots, interesting. President, I'll change this to my wife, and save. So now we have all that in there, and we can actually generate the agreement document from here. We can also get it from here. Click on that, here's the agreement. It shows the test app, the street of the name we put in there. It shows the agreement. It populated the names right here. It populated the equipment list. We didn't put in any filters. Here's the rooftop unit, part, function, task required. And at the end, we have this new kind of a mini report you can use to hand in to whoever in your organization is responsible for the care and feeding of the maintenance agreements. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.